It was great. It was actually good to implement all the stuff that we've learned throughout the past 3 or 4 years in order to design something, and it was really cool to see that actually come to fruition.
We did an ROI, return on investment, which I'd never had to do before. So trying to get your plan and your numbers translated into a more business-friendly language, which is money.
I think this project really highlighted aspects of like working in a team and taking like leadership roles and taking initiative. So I think for me that was a huge thing I'm going to take with me.
Senior Design or Capstone is a course that all graduating seniors they have to take. The students take on a real-life project most of the time from industry, and they got to put everything that they learn in 4 years into that project and showcase what they learn and what they can accomplish. We are preparing the students for a lifetime career, so we want them to be ready for what comes next when they graduate with a degree from NDSU.
Our group, we were inspired because we learned about this thing in class called inverse kinematics, where you can know the end point and tell the angles how to get there, and we wanted to build one in real life so we could see it happening. I have a passion for robotics and automation, so I think being able to do this hands-on and really be able to see it in person is great, and something to put on my resume showing that I've got hands-on experience. Putting this stuff from theory and the math on paper to a working robot is really cool.
So we worked with BTD in Minnesota. It was so much fun. I mean, working with them, they were so great and open with us. Our group really worked well together. It was just a great experience to see these are the kind of questions, these are the kind of meetings you'll have in the business place once we go on to graduate.
We worked with Garlock Equipment for the powered smart cart, which is a powered version of their current smart cart, where we just had to add an engine and everything necessary to turn it into a powered version of the cart, while keeping it as close as to the original as possible.
You know, it's a much different experience working with a sponsor in this type of environment. Taking the classroom experience and then really applying it and having to bring in these soft skills as well is really important, and I think those are the big benefits for them.
It is as close to like a real world experience as you can get in a classroom setting. You have to reach out to your company and set up meetings, and it's a lot more than a class. It's as close as you're gonna get to the real business world, I'd say.